I got this question on TikTok and I'm going to try and answer it as good as possible. The first thing that you need to do to make a train skirt a pattern is make half a circle skirt that is about floor length and in your size, of course. This is what half a circle skirt looks like, and I'm going to cut it in two because I only need the back to continue with making the train for the skirt. And this is what making half a circle skirt that is floor length would look like when you do it for a full-grown woman. Then you take a bigger piece of pattern paper and you copy your half circle skirt on the corner. Then you measure and mark the length that you want your train to be. And now you're going to move your half circle skirt pattern towards that line on the upper edge and copy it again. Now you will notice that there's a small gap between the two drawings, so you have to connect them. It's best to do this with a curve. And once you cut it out, you finished the train pattern. This is what that looks like if you do it for an adult woman. The pattern that we just created has to be cut on the fold because now you created a pattern for half the train. So to give you a visual, I'm going to cut the other side out of this pink paper, and now you have the train. Do you remember the front piece? If all of your measurements were right, you can connect the front piece to the back train to create half a circle skirt with a train. Of course, with the paper this looks a little bit weird, but once you cut it out of fabric it will fall beautifully depending on the fabric that you chose for it. I made one with lace for the remake of my Snow White ball gown. I'm on a mission to create a better Snow White dress than Disney's version. So if you're interested in that, click here. If you have any questions, please comment them down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!